So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 96,300. It just changed to 298 or something. The overall situation of Bitcoin is nothing as of a surprise, because Bitcoin is trying its best to deliver, but its deliverance is not happening. Yesterday it gave a very mixed signals. I'll show you its mixed signals, and we can see the outcome of that mixed signal. So 97,300. I'll actually zoom in for you so you could see better. Just a second, I'll zoom in on the candles. 97,300. Yeah, this is where it was. So this gray line, anyway, it's disappearing today. It's just trying to make me angry. So you can see that the first green candle stayed above this gray line. The second one, it also tried to stay above it, but it was only $300 above it. It was 97,700, and our requirement was 97,300, which led me to a place that yes, Bitcoin did stay above 97,300 for 2 days, but at the end of the day, if you look at it, if it had been only down by $400, it would have closed below 97,300. The second candle would have closed. And this is what the rest of the altcoins did. If you look at XRP, any coin, Dogecoin, anyone you look at it, they all closed below their support areas. The only one that gave mixed signals was Bitcoin. And the result of the mixed signals was, of course, that initially it pumped towards 99,200, and after that it dramatically dropped, and again it is below 97,300. This is why even yesterday I mentioned it, that we cannot rely on this that much. I would be hesitant just because of the fact that it is meeting its bare minimum, and that's not how you can look at a coin and think that okay, bare minimum is enough to have the upward rally. So considering that, now we are under a reset in a sense that if Bitcoin is not able to live above 97,300 for 2 days, we have to assume that the downward journey towards $85,000 has started. People have started talking about stagflation finally. Something I posted, I think, on 1st of January or 2nd of January. It's been over a month. Or something. It's been over a month that I posted about 2025's financial crisis. The video is there, and I discussed stagflation. Finally, now they're discussing stagflation in UK. Maybe if in USA they allow some people to talk as well, they will discuss that too. Overall, global economy is in turmoil, and I've been saying this again and again and again. Even though I don't have enough subscribers, that doesn't justify my bag or my understanding of the market. If it is about dick sizing, please do invite some big influencer, and then we can open our wallets and see how much each person makes. But that is not why I make content. I make content because I try to educate. I'm not here to do dick sizing and show that who has a bigger dick, not to make any points or any educational points, and it wouldn't make any difference in your life if I'm rich or poor. What makes the difference is that are you making right decisions or not. That being said, with Bitcoin, it's a situation where 97,300 is extremely important. Losing that is your first indication we are going towards 85K. Now, it's a very good indication because it gives you an early indication that we are heading down, instead of waiting for 90K, lose that, and only after that say, oh, now we are going down to 85K. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Be extremely careful. The volatility in the market and the uncertainty is at its peak. 90K is the only thing that is holding this whole structure on its shoulder. When it starts bleeding the way it has gone up in a single candle style, it will bleed in the single candle style as well. It wouldn't stop. So be very careful. People are waiting for 80K and not 85K. So the morale that will break will be the moment it dips below 90K. Everyone will start crapping itself, and they will start selling. Of course, smart money is already out, but I'm talking about the retailers. They will be emotional about it. And below 90K, I think they will pretty much start freaking out because they're sitting at big bag of money and it would be sensible to take profit. But all that, if Bitcoin is not able to close 2 candles above 97,300, if it closes above it, then we are back to the situation of 110 and 120. And that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.